find the zeros of quadratic function by completing the square and quadratic formula. For example, we have f of x equals 3x squared plus 12x plus 3. The first thing that you're going to do is you have to let f of x equals 0. And then rewrite the function into equation. We have 3x squared plus 12x plus 3 equals 0. Then divide the elements by 3. Then we have 3 divided by 3 is x squared. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times x is plus 4x. 3 divided by 3 is 1 equals 0 divided by 3 is 0. And then you have to group the terms containing x. And then use the additive inverse of equality. We have x squared plus 4x plus 1. We need to eliminate 1 in the left side. Therefore, we have to add negative 1 equals 0 minus 1. And then we have x squared plus 4x. 1 minus 1 is 0. We have 0 minus 1, negative 1. We need to complete this expression. We have x squared plus 4x plus blank. Okay, we're going to find the constant term since we have this term is quadratic term, linear term, and the constant term equals negative 1 plus blank. We're going to find the constant term. How are we going to find the constant term? We have to identify the coefficient of the linear term. The coefficient of the linear term is 4. We need to get the half of 4. 4 times 1, 4 divided by 2, we have 2, and then you have to square the 2. What is 2 squared? We have 4. And this 4 must be added in this expression as well as in the right side. Therefore, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals negative 1 plus 4. Then this trinomial must be expressed into square of binomial. The square of binomial of this trinomial is x plus 2 quantity squared equals negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3. Now, we need to eliminate square in this side. Therefore, we have to get the square root of both sides. The square root of the quantity of x plus 2 squared is x plus 2 equals positive negative square root of 3. We have two answers. X equals negative 2 plus square root of 3, and the other one is x equals negative 2 minus square root of 3. And these two values of x are the zeros of the quadratic function. Today, we're going to check whether the answers are correct by using the quadratic formula. And what is the quadratic formula? We have x equals negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Through the use of the same function, we need to identify the a, b, c. What is our a? We have 3, the b is 12, and our c is 3. Then substitute the a, b, c, and d quadratic formula. X equals, our b is 12, therefore we have negative 12 plus minus the square root of 12 squared minus 4. What is our a? We have 3. Our c is 3 over 2 times 3 since our a is 3. We have negative 12 plus minus the 12 squared is 144. And then you have to multiply 4 times 3 times 3. We have 13, 6 over 6. Then let us simplify. Negative 12 plus minus 144 minus 36 is 108 over 6. And now we have negative 12 plus minus the square root of, we need to get the factor of 108, wherein one factor is a perfect square. The factor of 108 are 36 and 3. Therefore, we have 36 times 3 over 6. Okay, we have negative 12 plus minus the square root of 36 is 6, the square root of 3 over 6. We have two answers for x. We have negative 12 over 6 plus 6 over 6 square root of 3. And the other one is x equals negative 12 over 6 minus 6 over 6 times the square root of 3. Let 5. What is negative 12 divided by 6? We have negative 2, and 6 divided by 6 is 1 times square root of 3. We have square root of 3. The first zero of the function, or the value of x, is negative 2 plus square root of 3. And the other one is x equals negative 12 divided by 6 is negative 2. And negative 6 divided by 6 is negative 1 times square root of 3. We have negative square root of 3. The second zeros of the function is the value of x, where we have x equals negative 2 minus square root of 3. As what you have noticed, the values of x using the quadratic formula and the values of x using the completing the square are the same. That is the ways in order for us to find the quadratic function. Thank you.